Welcome to Easy English Practices. Are you ready to challenge your brain and level up your grammar game? Let's dive into our English grammar quiz. U. Bring a jacket, it might get cold later. A. Can. B. Should. C. Would. He. Have finished the report by now, he started hours ago. A. Might. B. Could. C. Must. U. Eat so much sugar, it's bad for your health. A. Wouldn't. B. Shouldn't. C. Couldn't. He. Speak French fluently by the time he was 10. A. Can. B. Could. C. May. U. Leave early if you finish your work. A. May. B. Might. C. Must. Up next. Tenses challenge. She. Her phone before she realized it was in her bag. A. Was searching. B. Searches. C. Had searched. She. Diligently for the upcoming exam. A. Has studied. B. Is studying. C. Studies. They. To Japan 3 times last year. A. Traveled. B. Were traveled. C. Have traveled. If it. Tomorrow, we'll cancel the picnic. A. Rained. B. Will rain. C. Rains. The rain. Just before we left. A. Has stopped. B. Stopped. C. Stops. Up next. Articles. I need advice on this problem. A. B. N. C. No article needed. She has MBA from Harvard. A. B. N. C. The. She is honest person. A. B. N. C. The. This is most interesting book I've ever read. A. B. N. C. The. They live in small village in the countryside. A. B. N. C. The. Up next. Sentence structure and corrections. Choose the correctly structured sentence. Up next, Preposition Quiz. He hasn't come. Last Friday. A. From. B. For. C. Since. He lives. A small street. A. On. B. At. C. In. They walked. The forest. A. Through. B. Along. C. Across. She's allergic. Water. A. With. B. To. C. At. They were arguing. The best solution. A. On. B. At. C. About. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment your score, share, and subscribe.